Welcome to Best Choice. The best dust collector is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any workshop. It's the unsung hero that keeps your air clean and your lungs happy. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wall-mount dust collectors, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you decide if one is right for your workspace. Get ready to breathe easier and work cleaner as we uncover the secrets to a dust-free environment. Number 5. Oneida 4.5 Deluxe Dust Collector and Cyclone Separator. This Cyclone Separator captures and removes 99% of fine dust and large debris. It prevents them from reaching your dust collector, ensuring optimal performance. The kit includes the separator, a 15-gallon fiber drum, a gasket, reducer adapters, a lid clamp, and all necessary mounting hardware. Everything you need is provided. It works with almost any 0.5 to 3 HP dust collector, including popular brands. This makes it a versatile solution for your workshop. This separator prolongs the life of your filters and helps avoid suction loss. It reduces the need for frequent cleanings and replacements, saving you time and money. The included adapters convert the inlet and outlet to 4-inch ports. This makes it easier to connect to your tools and dust collector. What we like. This separator kit is designed to capture and remove nearly all fine dust and debris before they reach your dust collector. It prevents clogged filters and suction loss, saving you time and money on replacements. If you are looking for a solution to extend the life of your dust collector's filters and maintain optimal performance, this is the one for you. What people say. After putting it through its paces for a couple months and opening the cam vac, I was very pleasantly surprised at the amount of fine dust getting through. It was next to nothing. The Super Dust Deputy, however, performs excellently. The decrease in CFM was negligible, and it doesn't allow any particulate past, which leaves my filter clean, which also means a more consistent CFM suction because the air more easily escapes through a clean filter. Now, every chip enters the barrel and just a minimal amount of dust ends up in the bag. A simple band clamp keeps the Cyclone discharge sealed to the drum lid. The entire unit is suspended from the joists above, so emptying the barrel is quick and easy. The draw at each machine is incredible since the air can exhaust freely through the unrestricted bag. Number 4. ShopFox W1826 Wall Dust Collector. This ShopFox dust collector is designed for efficient dust removal. It features a powerful motor, ensuring your workspace stays clean. It's a great addition to any workshop. Equipped with a 1-horsepower motor, this unit offers reliable performance. It can operate on either 120V or 240V, providing flexibility for your setup. It's pre-wired at 120V. The W1826 boasts a 2.5 micron filtration system, capturing fine dust particles. This helps maintain cleaner air quality in your workshop. The bag has a 2 cubic feet capacity. It includes a window to easily monitor the dust bag's fill level. The bottom zipper allows for quick and easy dust disposal. This design makes maintenance simple. With a single 4-inch intake hole, it effectively collects dust. The unit stands at 44 inches tall when the bag is inflated. It's a practical solution for any workshop. What we like. This dust collector features a powerful 1-horsepower motor and a 2.5 micron filtration bag. It includes a window to monitor dust levels and a bottom zipper for easy disposal. If you have a small to medium-sized workshop and value convenience and efficiency, this is a great choice. What people say. It has made a huge difference in the cleanliness of my shop compared to my old Adapt Shop Vac to my Power Tools method. Much quieter than my shop vac as well, which is a huge thing when one has it running for extended periods. It plainly produces more suction than my 6 HP shop vac did. There is much less dust visible around the machines after each use than before. Number 3. Grizzly Industrial G09441-12 HP Wall Mount Dust Collector. This is the Grizzly Industrial G0944 Dust Collector. It's a powerful wall mount unit designed to keep your workshop clean. This tool will help you maintain a healthy and efficient workspace. The G0944 features a robust 1-to-1 2 HP motor. It provides ample suction to capture dust and debris effectively. You can rely on it for consistent performance. Its wall mount design saves valuable floor space. It keeps the unit out of the way while still providing powerful dust collection. This is a great feature for any size shop. Equipped with a canister filter, the G0944 offers improved filtration. It captures finer dust particles, ensuring cleaner air. This feature enhances the overall air quality. Get this great tool at a great price. It is a reliable and efficient dust collection solution. It's an investment in your workshop's cleanliness and your health. What we like. This wall mount dust collector offers great value. It features a canister filter for improved filtration. If you are on a budget but still want a reliable dust collection system, this is a solid option. What people say. Plumbed in with PVC ducting. 6-inch main trunk with 3 offshoots. It's really cut down on the amount of dust in the shop. Remote works well 99% of the time, and bag dumps are fairly easy since the bag fits snug on the canister. Number 2. One DC34015 5.7 amp woodworking dust collector. This dust collector features a 5.7 amp motor and a 6-inch impeller. It moves up to 660 cubic feet of air per minute, keeping your workspace clean. The 4-inch dust port allows easy connection to your woodworking tools. This makes it simple to integrate it into your existing setup. Its compact design includes an onboard carrying handle. This makes it easy to store and transport around your workshop. It measures 34.25 by 13 by 14.2 inches and weighs only 17 pounds. This makes it easy to maneuver and store. It features lockable swivel casters, an optional wall mount, and a 12-gallon collection bag. It also comes with a 2-year warranty, providing peace of mind. What we like. This dust collector has a compact design with an optional wall mount and a mobile base. It also features a 12-gallon collection bag. If you have limited space in your workshop and need flexibility in placement, this is a great choice. What people say. The wall mount design is a great space saver. The filter bag is easy to remove and clean. It has a powerful motor that provides excellent suction. Number 1. Grizzly G07101 HP Wall Hanging Dust Collector. This wall hanging dust collector from Grizzly is a powerful solution for your workshop. It's designed to keep your workspace clean and your air quality high. This model is efficient and easy to install. The G0710 features a 1-horsepower motor, providing ample suction for various woodworking tasks. It operates on both 110V and 220V, offering flexibility for your power setup. The motor is pre-wired for 110V use. With an air suction capacity of 450 CFM, this dust collector effectively removes dust and debris. The impeller is made of balanced steel with radial fins, ensuring efficient performance. It helps maintain a cleaner and safer working environment. The intake hole size is 4 inches, making it compatible with many machines. The bag size is 13.12 by 24 inches, providing sufficient capacity. Its compact design makes it ideal for smaller workshops. The dust collector is built to last with a powder-coated paint finish. It's designed for long-term use in a demanding workshop environment. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. For bag replacement, you can use the G3591 model. It's easy to replace and maintain, ensuring the dust collector continues to perform optimally. This helps keep the unit running smoothly. What we like. This dust collector boasts a 1 HP motor and a balanced steel impeller for efficient performance. It has a 4-inch intake hole and a 13.12x24 bag. If you need a powerful and reliable dust collector for your workshop, this is a great option. What people say. Works great and operates at about half the noise level of my shop vac. I have this mounted on a wall with a super dust deputy catching most of the dust. I can't say enough good things about the dust deputy. Since 98% of the dust is captured by the dust deputy, I am not using the bag, but have ported the exhaust out through the wall. This probably helps the flow rate and definitely keeps it from dropping when the bag would get clogged. It does a decent job on my table saw and my planer. I was concerned about noise level, but it's noticeable quieter than a shop vac. I coupled this with a separator so the bag only picks up the fine dust. Larger chunks go to a can. This has been the biggest game changer for my shop. Still experimenting with duct and layout, but more than enough suction for my one-car garage wood shop. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.